Hey guys, I'm Stacy. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to all my new subscribers. If you're new over here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you may be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Let's get right into the video. I will be preparing the Jamaican Gizzarda in this video. Here is the list of ingredients that I use. I will start by grating one large coconut. Then I will go on to adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour to my bowl, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a 1/2 cup of butter. Using your fingertips to break down the butter in the flour. Once you're finished, they should resemble breadcrumbs. Using about 1 cup of ice cold water, you're gonna add this to the flour to form into a dough. You're going to place your dough inside the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and then go on to making your filling. In a saucepan, you're gonna add about 1 cup of water. This may vary depending on the size coconut. 1/4 teaspoon to a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 cup brown sugar to 2 cups brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and you're gonna stir this to dissolve. You're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon almond spice, then you're gonna stir this again. You're then going to add your coconut flakes to the mixture and allow it to cook for a little while to absorb the flavor. You don't want this to be too dry, so you need to ensure that it has moisture in it when you're done. Here you can see the consistency of the finished filling. It's time to start rolling my dough. I'm going to lightly flour my surface. After the rolling process, I'm gonna cut circles from my dough using a container. I will be removing the excess dough from my surface, but I will be re-rolling this to get more circles for my filling. re-roll each dough and use my fingers to pinch the sides in order to have my filling placed on the inside of the dough. I will now use a fork to form air pockets inside the dough. And set this aside. Here's what it looks like before adding my filling. I am now going to add my filling to my dough, and you're going to bake this for about 20 to 30 minutes or until completely baked. You can serve this as desired. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.